This is an enzyme. This little guy's job is to facilitate and speed up chemical reactions. He acts as a catalyst to change one type of substance, called the substrate, to another type of substance, the product. He does this by lowering the amount of energy needed to perform the chemical reaction. Enzymes are made up of 3 parts. The enzyme is the main body of protein and the host of the reaction. The area of the enzyme where the reaction happens is called the active site. The active site is a spot on the enzyme shaped specifically to fit the substrate it's wanting to change. Substrates are molecules and reactants. They're the ones changed in the reaction. Enzymes do their job of lowering activation energy by adding and removing charges from substrates, or by closing the distance between reactants. While enzymes would prefer to just keep doing their jobs all day every day, they can be stopped from working by these rude little chemicals called enzyme inhibitors. There are 2 types of enzyme inhibitors, competitive and non-competitive. Competitive inhibitors sneak in and fill the active site of the enzyme before the substrate is able to. For example, malonic acid competes with succinate for active sites on succinate dehydrogenase, an important enzyme in the Krebs cycle. Non-competitive inhibitors bind to the enzyme outside of the active site. They change the shape of the active site so that the substrate can't fit properly. For example, cyanide is a competitive inhibitor for the cytochrome C oxidase enzyme. This enzyme's job is to facilitate the transfer of hydrogen atoms during cellular respiration. The biochemical reactions that enzymes help facilitate are vital parts of sustaining all kinds of life and of keeping all kinds of biological systems. So when you look around and you see the bees buzzing, the birds chirping, and the flowers blooming, just be sure to thank enzymes for doing their jobs.